Today, I am visiting Colmar, a small but incredible beautiful town located in the Alsace region of northeastern France. Close to the German border, Colmar blends French elegance with German architectural tradition, which gave the city its unique and instantly recognizable character. Today's weather has real European winter feel. The streets here are among the most colorful in France. The streets are lined with houses painted in pastel pink, blue, yellow, and greens, each one carefully maintained and beautifully decorated. What makes Colmar especially striking is how colorful the city is. During Christmas, the colors feel even richer as lights and festive display bring the entire town to life. It's no surprise, Colmar is often called one of the most beautiful towns in Europe. Walking through Colmar feels like stepping into a living museum. Despite its medieval appearance, the town is not frozen in time. It's full of cafe, local shop and bakeries, all tucked into historic buildings. This balance between history and everyday life is what makes Colmar feel so special. Many of these buildings were constructed between the 14th and 17th century and were originally homes of merchants, craftsmen, and winemakers. Colmar is best known for its half-timbered houses. Every corner feels carefully painted, flower boxes, lanterns, cobblestone path, and charming shopfronts that make you want to stop and look just a little longer. The exposed wooden beams weren't just decorative, they were part of the structural design, and over time, the space between them were filled and painted in vibrant colors. This picturesque district is crossed by canals that reflect the colorful timber houses above them. Colmar is also known for its Christmas market. Unlike larger cities, Colmar hosts several smaller markets spread across the old town, each with its own theme and atmosphere. You will find handmade decorations, Alsatian craft, traditional food, and local wines, including the region's famous white wines. Another interesting fact about Colmar is that it was spared major destructions during both World Wars, which is why so much of its historic center remains intact today. This preservation allows visitors to experience the town almost exactly as it looked centuries ago. As I explore Colmar during Christmas, the city feels warm, intimate, and welcoming. The softly lit streets historic timber houses, and festive decoration create an atmosphere that feels both nostalgic and magical. It's a place where history, color, and holidays spirits come together, making it one of the most charming towns to visit in France, especially during the Christmas season. Colmar is famous for its Christmas decoration, and we are amazed to see teddy bears and polar bears displayed on the beautiful timber houses. The lights on the timber houses created a magical atmosphere and perfectly reflected the Christmas spirit. A beautiful cafe themed around deer in the snow. At the Christmas market, we felt like a children again and enjoyed the rides. We are leaving Colmar with wonderful memories and happy hearts. Colmar may be small, but it leaves a lasting impression.